Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away.
Hello guys, today I'm installing the Spy 5000 on my bike. This upgrade will be divided in several videos. This is part 1. I'm going to show you how to connect it, and we're going to discuss the starter feature and the immobilizer feature. The best deal I could find on this alarm was for $64 from AliExpress. As always, I left you the link in the description below. Okay, let's begin. This is where I put the alarm, and this is the microwave sensor. I put it right here on the alarm. This is the siren, and this is the antenna. I put the antenna on the frame. Hopefully it can get more coverage. Okay, the wires. I'm going to start with the black wire because there are two black wires, one coming from the master brain and the other with the other wires. And as always, the black wire is connected to the frame, so we only need to connect one of them. You don't need to connect both. I saw someone connect this to the negative on the battery and this to the frame. That's not necessary. And the brown wire. The brown wire is the ACC plus 12. I don't know if you remember, but I already have the box here. If you don't know what this box is, you can click on the top right corner of the screen. I'm gonna leave you a card there. You can watch the video there. Okay, so these two wires are negative and ACC plus 12. This is the positive, goes directly to the battery. These yellow wires are left, right turn signals, and we are left with these three. Okay, the blue one is for the starter feature, and the gray and the pink one are part of the kill circuit engine. Okay, so let's start with the connections.
East of Omaha, you can listen to the engine.
I'm going to tap connect from this positive. I don't think I'm going to use this other than the alarm, but just in case in the future I'm going to use this. Okay, I'll have this wire to connect from.
Will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing much to do.
Okay, so now we move to the yellow wires. Now I'm not going to connect these today. I'll tell you why in part 2, but I'm going to show you where to connect them. And you have these two, the green and the brown.
Up on the stage, here I go, playing star again. There I go.
Okay, so we connect one wire to the green wire and one wire to the brown wire, and these two, they will be connected to the two yellow wires. That leaves us with three wires: the blue, the pink, and the gray. Now I saw someone connect them, actually more than one, connect them like this: the blue wire to the blue wire on the starter button, the gray wire to the black wire, and the pink wire to the brake. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so the bike starts normally. This is the starter button. However, if you have your alarm armed and you try to start the bike, the bike starts normally. The bike starts normally. The alarm is on. Now it's silent alarm, but it starts normally, which makes absolutely no sense. Now let's try like this. If the alarm is not armed, the bike will not start. Okay, so this is the wrong connection, and I do not want this feature. This feature is useless to me, this one, but I do want these two. Okay, I care for the immobilizer and for the power kill. So I'm going to show you what I found out. Okay, so we are looking for the wire connected to the third fuse. This is the main 2 where it says main 2. We want to cut that wire, connect the pink wire to the fuse and the gray wire to the front. Okay guys, so we are looking for a red wire with a blue stripe. Okay, and luckily enough, I think this is it. I see it from here. Cut this, connect the pink to the fuse box and the gray to the front.
Well, you walk into a restaurant, strung out from the road, and you feel...
Okay, so this connection means 3 things. Number 1 is that you are overriding the kill switch. That means if you ignite with the remote, you can only kill with the remote. You cannot kill with the key. And if you ignite with the key, you can still kill with the remote. Now, I do not recommend that you do this. This is just in case, but it's having a hard time to kill the power. Let's try it again. It looks like it's trying harder than it should. So I recommend that if you start with the key, kill with the key. If you start with the remote, kill with the remote. And if you want the starter feature to work, as I told you, I do not want this, but all you have to do is connect the blue wire to the starter relay and the bike will start. But this is not necessary for me, so I just want to ignite with the remote and I can start from here and kill from here. And the second thing means that the immobilizer works. Okay, so if you arm your alarm, now it's armed and silent, you cannot start the bike. If you put the key in, the alarm will go off and the bike will not start. You cannot start the bike. Okay. And number 3, no need to disarm. Okay, so now your alarm is armed, and if you want to start the bike, all you have to do is ignite with the remote, start the bike, and you kill the power and the alarm is immediately armed, right? So you see, so you do not need to disarm the alarm, you do not need to arm the alarm. Okay, just arm it once. Now the bike is parked, you want to ride your bike, you just ignite, now you're there, you just kill the power and leave the bike. Now the alarm is armed, right? So this is it for today, guys. I know it's a long video, this is why it has several parts. In part 2 I'm going to discuss the silent mode and the microwave sensor and the distance it covers. There's also a few features I did not like about the alarm. I enhanced. I'm going to show you what I did, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.
There I am, up on the stage. Here I go, playing star again. There I go, turn the page.